Hey guys, it's Tanya. I've got some lace and doily grab bags that I'm offering you guys today. This lace is vintage lace that I got from an estate sale a few years ago. So it's older, but still really pretty. I'll tell you what all is included, and that the grab bags will be $15 and they will be shipped by FedEx. So if you're interested, I can't do any P.O. boxes because of that. But the $15 is the total, as long as you use the friends and family on PayPal. If you use the other option, you'll have to add whatever the fees are. So total, I'll tell you how many of each one that you'll get, but it's $15, and I do include extras when I'm sending out packages. So for this one, it looks like this, and you get 1 yard of it. It's a ruffled lace with flowers. This one, you get 1 yard of it, and it has little blue dots. They're light blue, but it's not all the way white. You get 1 yard of that. Get 1 yard of this, and it's like a tan or a peach color, but it's nice. You get 1 yard of this green, and you get 1 yard of this green elastic, but I've used it just as trim, like gluing it on a box or something. You get 1 yard of this polka dot one. I really like this one. You get 1 yard of that. You get 2 yards of this cream lace. It's hard to see, but there you go. That is a cream color. You get 2 yards of that one. And for the doilies, you get, looking at my list, 5 of this square one. You get 3 of these little center pieces. You get 5 of these 4-inch doilies. You get 10 of these center pieces. You get 15 of these, and you get 25 of these. There's like linen. It's not really probably considered a doily, but they're nice. I use them as flowers a lot. I cut all these stray pieces off and put a center in there. They're really cool. There's 25 of those. And that's what you get. And like I said, there will be extras in your package. If you're interested, email me at tanycox08@gmail.com. And the first 5, I only have 5 available. So the first 5 will get it. And I don't know if I can make any of the exact packages up, but if you're interested, email me and I will see what I can do. Alright guys, thanks.